Hey, what's up everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. So, yep, the winter sowing containers are doing well. I got some germination. Bow! Y'all see that? Yeah. Bow! Y'all see that? That's pretty dope. So it's raining. Little big girl farmer is jumping around in the rain, but I'm about to move these, and the only reason why I'm about to move them is because we're supposed to get 40 to 50 mile an hour winds tonight. So tornado warnings. So I'm going to move them somewhere so they can be secure, and but I just wanted to give everyone that tip. Definitely if you hear that the wind is coming, you probably should take precautions with your winter sowing containers. I could leave them and just see what would happen, but I'm not. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.